Brothers and sisters, how are you? Alright, continuing with our studies. Now I thought let us look at a ruler. What is a ruler and what is it used for? Okay, first let's find out where can we find the ruler. Alright, the ruler is found under the view tab. Yeah? Right, so I will click on this view tab. Alright, and as you can see here, we have your ruler here. Under the show, you have your ruler there. Alright, that's nice. Okay, so now we know where to find the ruler. So how do you turn it on or off? As you can see, it's ticked, or is ticked. When ticked is on. So when you want to turn it off, you uncheck it or you untick it. So I'll simply click on it. It's gone. Now I'm sure you witness what happened somewhere here and somewhere down this side and somewhere down this side. I'm sure you witness what happened. I'm going to click it on, off, on. Alright, so when it's on like that, right, basically what happens is you have these guys here, that's your ruler, and you have these guys here, that's your ruler. Alright, right, that's your ruler. Alright, now let's see how we use it. Now the ruler is used to determine where your page starts and ends. Alright, as of now, when we talk about the width of the page, the ruler starts here and ends up here. That's the width of the page. Alright, starts up here and ends up here. Alright, what is the meaning of that? Basically what it means that your text can only be allowed to not go anywhere other than starting from here and ending at that point. Now for instance, I'll click on the ruler and drag this ruler inside. Drag it inside. Can you see what it means? Basically, now your text starts here, ends here, which means all your content will be within this frame. That's why you find that all this text is within this content, this context. Alright, this space, that's where your content or your text is right now because of your ruler. Now if you click on the ruler, you get this double-edged arrows. They mean that you can now adjust your ruler. So I'll take them back, something like there. You see I have my text back. Now if I take it back again a little bit further, I have everything on one line. Okay, but it's advisable just to leave some reasonable space there, so that when you are printing, you want to chop off some of your words and stuff. Just leave some reasonable space. Okay, basically that's your width. Now on the aspect of your height, that's the height. H, I'll use H for height. That's this one. On your left side, it controls the height of your page. Alright, for instance, you have this one. This is the starting height of your page. That's why you can see that anything starts from this side going downwards. We have got nothing up here because the ruler is not set to that level. It starts up here, Alright, let's hope it's clear though. Alright, what if I pull that ruler I'll click on it, then I'll get a double-edged arrow. When I pull it up, watch the text, they all will go up. See, they're now up. Pull it down, the text goes down. Pull it up, text goes up as well, down and up. All right, if you need down scroll to the footer, there is again a ruler somewhere here which controls where your text ends here, which means there won't be anything down here in each and every page. Okay, I know maybe someone wants to see an example, still have some doubting Thomas. Right, that's good, that's how we learn. I just will write some dummy text. Okay, right, let me go back. You see what happened? It refused to put anything down here because the ruler here is closed, it's not opened, so you cannot put anything down here. But what will happen now if I were to reduce my ruler, take it down, down. Alright, so that my font size is big. Let me just reduce my font size a little bit. So, I don't know, 24. Right, and put everything 24. Don't want to underline it. Okay, so you see everything fits within the footer. But if I take my ruler up, you see everything from here, there is nothing here. Everything is pushed to the second page. If I reduce the footer on the ruler there, everything goes up. So this is how you control the layout of your width and your height of your page using a ruler. And remember, it's always wise to leave a certain margin of your height and width so that when you are printing, you know that your text won't be chalked off. Okay, thank you, my friends. Thank you for